Hello everyone, welcome back to Tenorshare channel. In this guide, I'll be showing you how to translate text from any image or screenshot using the PDNob Image Translator. If you have screenshots or images containing foreign languages, there's absolutely no way you will be able to accurately translate and extract the text on your own because it's written in a language you don't understand and have never spoken before. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and accurately translate text from images, literally within seconds. PDNob Image Translator is a fast, powerful AI tool for extracting, copying, translating, and editing text from images or screenshots. Using advanced AI OCR technology, it accurately recognizes and translates text from images, scanned documents, and handwritten notes. It supports multiple languages and offers batch processing to handle multiple images at once, saving time with bulk translation. So let's dive in and see how to use this AI tool. There's a link in the video description which you can use to visit the official Tenorshare website to download the PDNob Image Translator. Scroll to where it says Free Download and click to download either the Mac or Windows version. The installation file would be downloaded to your PC, and all you have to do is follow the instructions to install and run it on your PC. Once you've finished installation, head over to your system tray and locate the PDNob software. Launch from the tray and you will arrive on this interface. As you can see, there's 3 ways to start working with images. You can begin by taking a screenshot directly from your computer screen, by pasting an already copied image directly from your clipboard, or importing up to 50 image files from your computer. Let me start by importing an image file from my computer. I'm going to click to add files, and if you want, you can select multiple files. In this case, I'll import an image containing some Spanish text. Let me briefly show you around this interface. This panel contains a thumbnail preview of the imported images. You can select one or all images to delete or export. Directly above this preview, you have buttons for taking a screenshot, adding more images, and also pasting images directly from the clipboard. This is the image viewing area where you can see the images you've imported, and at the top, you can see the original image and an AI translated version of the image. If you expand this panel on the right, you can see the recognized text, which is the actual text contained in the image, and below it is the translated version of the text which has been extracted from the image. You can use the drop-down menu in each section to select the language contained in the image, as well as the language you want for the translated version. In this case, I'm translating from Spanish to English. As you can see, both the image and the recognized text have been translated from Spanish to English. You can edit the recognized text as well as copy both the extracted and translated text to your clipboard. As you can see, this AI tool is very accurate and fast. It took only a few seconds to process this image. To export the results, I can copy and paste into any word processor, or export directly from the PDNob software. As you can see, the translated image is pretty accurate and also maintains the format of the original image. For export options, I can export the translated text, translated image, or both. There are several file export formats available both for documents and images. Choose your preferred export formats, file name, location, and save to your PC. The screenshot feature also works very well. Let's say you're browsing through a document or an image in foreign language, and it doesn't allow direct copy and paste. All you have to do is open the PDNob Image Translator. Select Screen Capture, highlight, and confirm the area of the screen you want to copy. Choose the language for the text recognition, and it will quickly recognize and accurately translate the text into the selected language. You can edit, copy, and export the text. I'll simply copy and paste into my word processor. As you've seen so far, with PDNob Image Translator, you no longer need to manually translate text from images. It's fast, accurate, and perfect for saving time when working with screenshots or scanned documents. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more official tips and tricks. Thank you for choosing our software, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.